How to stay healthy and enhance your immune system. We tend to pamper ourselves with things that attract our eyes and stomach, whether a yummy piece of chocolate cake or a Big Mac with crunchy French fries and a Coke, or even indulging your mind with few glasses of wine each evening to wipe off the stress of the day. That may seem appealing, but in fact we are loading our health with overwhelming defending tasks that sometimes our organs fail to function. Let's break it down into a few simple, easy-to-remember ways to stay on a healthy path. First, become a flexitarian. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet is the healthiest, but you can still get many of the benefits even if you don't go full-on vegetarian. Following a semi-vegetarian diet that includes fewer animal products but doesn't completely cut them out may help you keep your weight in check, as well as lower your chances of high blood pressure, diabetes, and inflammatory bowel disease. Second, less sugar, more water. It's a good idea to avoid added sugar in whatever you eat, yet soda, sports drinks, and energy drinks may be a bigger source than you realize. Some studies show that just a soft drink or two a day makes you 26% more likely to get type 2 diabetes. Sugary drinks have also been tied to heart attacks, gout, and obesity. Stay hydrated with water or, if you miss the fizz and taste, naturally flavored seltzer. Third, exercise regularly. Choose activities you enjoy. Many things count as exercise, including walking, gardening, and dancing. Make exercise a habit by setting aside the same time for it each day. Try going to the gym at lunchtime or taking a walk regularly after dinner. Stay motivated by exercising with someone. For parents and grandparents, play active games with your kids regularly and go on family walks and bike rides when the weather allows. Encourage children to play outside when it's safe and to take part in organized activities, including soccer, gymnastics, and dancing. Walk with your kids to school in the morning. Fourth, move more, sit less. While at least 150 minutes a week of moderate exercise is ideal, experts say that any movement is better than nothing. So make it a point to stand up more often and stretch, park a bit farther from your destination for extra steps, and explore new pastimes that will help put you in motion. Fifth, eat fatty fish. Fish is a great source of high-quality protein and healthy fat. This is particularly true of fatty fish, such as salmon, which is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and various other nutrients. Studies show that people who eat the most fish have a lower risk of several conditions, including heart disease, dementia, and depression. Sixth, get enough sleep. The importance of getting enough quality sleep cannot be overstated. Poor sleep can drive insulin resistance, disrupt your appetite hormones, and reduce your physical and mental performance. What's more, poor sleep is one of the strongest individual risk factors for weight gain and obesity. One study linked insufficient sleep to an 89% and 55% increased risk of obesity in children and adults, respectively. Seventh, don't smoke or do drugs, and only drink in moderation. Smoking, tobacco, and alcohol use are harmful habits. Consuming too much can damage your liver. It can cause some cancers, such as throat, liver, or pancreas cancer. Alcohol abuse also contributes to deaths from car wrecks, murders, and suicide. Eighth, use plenty of herbs and spices. Many incredibly healthy herbs and spices exist. For example, ginger and turmeric both have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, leading to various health benefits. Due to their powerful benefits, you should try to include as many herbs and spices as possible in your diet. Ninth, take care of your relationships. Social relationships are incredibly important not only for your mental well-being, but also your physical health. Studies show that people who have close friends and family are healthier and live much longer than those who do not. 10th, don't go on a diet. Diets are notoriously ineffective and rarely work well in the long term. In fact, dieting is one of the strongest predictors for future weight gain. Instead of going on a diet, try adopting a healthier lifestyle. Focus on nourishing your body instead of depriving it. Weight loss should follow as you transition to whole, nutritious foods. Maintaining a good health doesn't happen by accident. It requires regular work and smart lifestyle choices. In addition to the factors listed above, you should give time for your whole body and don't just focus on the food you eat. Doing meditation on a regular basis helps in keeping your emotions and mind free from bad thoughts, behaviors, and keeps you more healthy. Hope you found what are you looking for in this video. Lots of important health tips to be continued in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned to stay healthy and don't forget to subscribe.